Two bridges at Monroe Street between Market and Madison Street, right around the corner from the M15 Express bus, which goes up First Avenue. 3-block walk to the F train at East Broadway. We'll be looking at apartment almost on the top floor. This corner unit on the 11th floor here with private terrace, washer and dryer in the apartment, dishwasher, 2 marble baths. Let's go in to this building. This building is 9 years old with elevator. Let's go up. And we're here on the 11th floor. On entry here at the 11th floor in this 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We have a 12.5 by about 19-foot long space here. That includes the corner kitchen with dishwasher, stainless steel refrigerator, stack washer and dryer. Bathroom 1 to the corner there. Granite upper and lower cabinetry. Extremely bright apartment facing south and east. Ideal layout for 2 roommates, being 1 bedroom set on the northern side of the apartment, and on the southern side of the apartment we have another bedroom with a private bath. They're set apart with space in between. Bedroom 1, about 11.5 by 10, with a closet. A lot of light, big window, will fit any size bed and dresser and even a small desk in this room here. As we move across here, we have bathroom number 1, marble, with tub and shower. Washer, dryer. And we come to the other side of the apartment where we have another 11.5 by about 11.5 bedroom here with a closet again. And this unit, this bedroom rather, has a private bathroom here, also windowed, fully marble with tub and shower, and additional closet inside the private bath. The unit does come with air conditioners in each room. Call Ray to see this at 212-602-1137. Enjoy the terrace, enjoy Two Bridges here.